beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to make some natural healthy breakfast drink, and to make this drink I'll be using organic oats, and this is from Holland and Barrett. You can use whole milk if you like, but I prefer organic oat. I'll be using a tablespoon of honey. I'll be using 2 ripe banana, and I'll be using 3 oranges. I've already juiced 2 orange, so I'm going to do the next one. I'm about to start. I'm just simply removing the skin from my ripe banana. I'm just putting it straight into my blender. This orange has got a lot of juice, and as you know, orange is full of vitamin C. So I'm going to just pour that straight into my blender. And I am going to pour some of my organic oat straight into my blender. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of honey just to give it a bit of taste. We don't need a lot of honey because the banana is already sweet, but I just need 1 tablespoon just to give it a finishing touch. And I'm using my small blender because I'm just making this drink, so I don't need a big blender. This is just a breakfast drink. So this drink, you can have this drink with your breakfast in the morning. This will keep you fully up for a long while. So let's get started. It's all finished and it's all looking good. It's a quick and easy recipe, and it is very healthy and delicious. I love this, and I hope you guys love it too. So just gonna remove that. I'm going to pour some in my glass. Look guys, it's looking really good, really lovely. I'm going to pour some in my glass. I'm going to have a taste and then tell you guys what I think about juice. Wow, this juice is looking really good, so I'm going to have a taste. Wow. Oh my word. Wow. This is really, really, really nice. Wow. It blends in nicely. Wow. Really, really nice. Guys, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a wonderful, relaxing weekend. See you soon in my next video. Love you all. Bye.